nice Street Fighter, J-Man's V4, S1000, R1M, another R1M, S1K, RS-V4, and a Hayabusa.
He almost died. I swear to God. I was like, fuck.
What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am finally back on the R1M. Very excited to ride this bike, but it's been such a long time since I rode it that I actually suck at riding this bike. I already stalled it because the clutch between this and the Ducati are complete opposites. I feel like with this bike there's a little spot, like the clutch kind of the bike goes way early on, and the Ducati is literally the exact opposite of this. The clutch release is all the way in the end, so it feels so weird. And I feel like this bike is just the Ducati just wants to go fast. This is not like that at all. This bike actually it's not as aggressive as the Ducati. It wants to go but not crazy. Oh. Yeah, man, I haven't rode it in I don't even know how long. Good, how are you? I ride the V4 literally everywhere, so I wasn't even sure that this bike is gonna start at this point.
Man, your Ducati, man, you've been riding that.
Yeah, this bike is so different than the V4. I already stalled in. The clutch feels exactly the opposite from the V4.
You gonna take this on the next track day?
Yeah. I need to ride it a bit more so I'm more comfortable on it. I feel weird on it now. Let's go! We got a nice Street Fighter, J-Man's V4, S1000, R1M, another R1M, S1K, RS-V4, and a Hayabusa. See guys, this is why I've been riding the V4 all the time. I rode this bike, and as much as I love this bike, I'm like, dang, maybe I should have taken the V4. It's just a new bike. I haven't gotten, enough of riding it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bikes. It was so hot out. Now it's it's not getting chilly. It's really nice, but it took us a while to get going, get everyone to meet up and all. guess we'll slow down and wait for him. Alright, I think we got 6 so far. Still missing like 2 people. That couch is catching me out up there. I'm looking back, I look back forward and the crotch is just like right in front of me. Go flying real quick. I think I see them finally. There they are. It's gonna be cold. The sun is already setting, so as soon as we're like in the shade like this, it gets pretty chilly. Look at these views though, come on. It's already so much colder right here. Oh my god! What the hell? Literally like 2 minutes. And it feels like it went from like 70s to literally like 40s. Holy! Alright, I don't want to be in the shade. Come on, before the sun sets. Yeah, we're probably gonna get in trouble. We're too many bikes. Even though we're being like, you know, nice and respectful. Oh my god, look at that. Look at this. Stop for some of the whoa, I can't talk. Some of the boys want to get gas, so I'm gonna wait for them.
Fuck, this motherfucker hit a car.
Huh?
He almost died. Fuck, he almost died. I swear to God. I was like, fuck. That's so crazy. He got hit.
What do you mean he got hit?
He got hit. Almost? Oh, dude, that shit's happening.
Wait, what do you mean he got hit?
Huh? The car on my left, all of a sudden just fucking kind of smashed me on him.
It actually hit you?
Yeah. No, almost. No, it hit you. It tapped you. It tapped me, but you tapped my leg. Yeah? I saw his bike was like, I was like, that shit. I smacked on the brake. I was like,
damn, I'm glad you're good. The bike is good, no? Seems fine. I'm glad everyone made it though.
I still kind of like freak out a little bit.
Look at this guy. Damn. Well, that was a little hectic. Apparently somebody hit him. Glad he stayed up. But yeah, that was fun. Nice bikes, nice people. Just hanging out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe, and support the channel. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe.